before we get started, let's check out the links in my description. We all want nice things. We want the car, we want a house, we want a high limit credit card. But if you don't have at least a 680 credit score, you're not even in the game. So click this link here to know where you stand and get your free credit scores from all three bureaus. That will be Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax. And also get your reports. If you would like to be free and become financially independent through entrepreneurship, click this link here to be free. If you'd like to get cash back, which is a discount during shopping, please click this link here to see my favorite cashback sites. And if you enjoy the music you hear in the background, please click the link here and subscribe to It's Oasis. Welcome back to Community Wealth. Today I'm going to get into this reconsideration. I know it's late. I'm hoping they accept it. They said they was accepting this stuff until the end of the year, so let's just see what happens. This is now November 1st. We're going to do the EIDL loan reconsideration. And before we get started into that, if you'd like to know your FICO scores and your reports through all three bureaus, Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, please click the credit monitoring link in the description below. If you'd like to make $500 to $1,000 plus per week utilizing your personal vehicle, click the Wealth Dasher link in the description below. If you don't want to use your vehicle, if you don't have a vehicle, please click the Wealth Hire Car link in the description below. That way you can use their car to Wealth Dash. If you would like to know how I got 5 properties for $5,500, click the Be Free link in the description below. And it's the holiday season, everybody. So you're going to be shopping online. Why not get cash back while you're doing it? And to do that, just click the Cashback link in the description below. Now, this reconsideration situation, I don't know what's going on with it. I haven't checked into it. I'm just going to go through it. I saw a blue link and I clicked it. It says request loan reconsideration. So I'm going to go through the process and see what they're asking for. All right. So let's get started. All right. Right here, you see where it says declined. All right. Right here where it says decline. Over here it said decisions details will be communicated by email. But right here was a blue link. All right. It was a blue link right here. And it said request loan reconsideration. And so I clicked it and then this popped up. You currently have an active reconsideration in progress. Submit required documents listed in the upload documents section. You see, I got the EIDL advance from last year, $1,000. Targeted EIDL advance, $9,000. Supplemental targeted advance, $5,000. So this is all this right here. I got denied last year for the EIDL loan because of credit. Now my credit is well over that. But, you know, I think it was like 575. But now I'm in the 680s, you know, on the FICO side. And I think I'm in the 680s as well with the Vantage score, and I believe they use Vantage score. So they use the Vantage score. I'm well over that as well. So I'm up there. I'm way past what they need for credit. But right here, I got most of the information in here from when I got the advances. Okay, but now they want to know. Now they want information for the reconsideration for the EIDL loan. So let's see what they're talking about. I got to upload some documents. Let's see these documents they want. So they want you to upload some documents. In order to process your application, we'll need you to upload some documents. IRS Form 4506T. Download this form so they tell you where to go to get it. That's required. SBA Form 2202, Schedule of Liabilities. Drop files here to upload. Download this form. Okay. So you get this form right here. And delinquent credit issues explanation. Repull credit authorization. Provide a written request to obtain a new report. This action will show as a hard inquiry on your report. 2019 business tax return. Okay. So I got this. I have this here. A lot of this stuff I don't even have on there anymore, so I won't even know what to put right here. But I guess I can talk about that. It was mainly my issues was mainly medical expenses, but I got my medical bills taken off of that, so I don't have the medical bills on there anymore. So all of that is gone, and this is pretty much it. You know. So I'll upload this information and I'll let you guys know what's what when we get done with that. All right. Well, let's see this right here. Let's see this 4506T situation first before I do all that. Let's go here to SBA, Older Force, whatever this is. Disaster request for a transcript of tax return. Do not sign this form unless all applicable lines have been completed. Request may be rejected if the form is incomplete or illegible. For more information about Form 4506T, okay, so you would name shown on tax return. If a joint return, enter the name shown first. Okay. Social Security number on tax return, individual taxpayer identification, one-player identification number, seen instructions. For joint return, enter spouse's name shown on return. Okay, current 4506T. Transcript of tax information is to be mailed. Customer file. Okay. This is the form you fill out and send to them. And to be honest with you, I filled out one of these when I got the advance, but it was already pre-filled. So I didn't even have to do anything. It was already pre-filled. It was a DocuSign type deal. So everything was already in there. I wonder why they're not doing that now, or why they don't have a DocuSign situation. But I'm gonna find out how to fill this out, and then I'm gonna show you guys how to do this. All right, I'm gonna find out how to fill this out. I don't even remember. That was months ago. But I'm assuming I put my information here, and then trying to figure out where the business information go. So they saying EIN, and I know when you fill out your Schedule C, it's a certain way you got to fill it out. You put in your information, then you go into the Schedule C situation. So maybe that's what this stuff is about. Maybe that's what this is about. Because I do believe I had to put my Social Security number in here, not my EIN. So I guess I'll do that. Request for transcript tax return. So I guess I put my information in here, my Social Security number, my current name and address. All right. See, current name and address, including apartment and all that stuff. Previous address shown on the last return field if different from line above. Okay. A transcript of tax information to be mailed to a third party, such as mortgage company, into the third party name and address. It's business administration. Then transcript requested. Enter the tax form number here and check the appropriate box below. Enter only tax form number per request. Guess that'd be 1040. Then year, period. If it's already pre-filled in. And then phone number. So I guess I gotta sign this and send it back in. So I gotta print this out and sign it. If I could find out how to sign this online, I don't have to, kind of like they do with the DocuSign. I don't have to print this out and upload it. Yeah, so I'm gonna get back to this. I'm gonna get back to this with you guys, and we're gonna get all that taken care of. All right. So then I go here to the SBA form schedule of liabilities. See what this is about. So here's the PDF. So you would go here and download this here. This form is provided for your convenience, responding to filing requirements and item 2 on the application, SBA Form 5. You may use your own file if you prefer. The information contained in this schedule is a supplement to your balance sheet and should balance the liabilities presented on that form. Okay. So then you had to go here and download that. Let's see here. Right, so applicant's name, date of schedule, suggested format, schedule liabilities, name of creditor, original amount, original date, current balance, current. Okay, so I got to figure out what this is about. So I'm looking into all of this, and I'll let you guys know what you should be putting on here. You know, notes, mortgages, and accounts payable. Notes, mortgages, accounts. So, especially with the LLC. So we know what this is about. Then we go back here. Delinquent credit issues. So I explained that. Then repull credit authorization. I kind of don't want them to do that, but you know, I may get approved just because of my credit is where it's supposed to be now. So I may let them do that. Provide a written request to obtain a new report. This action will show as a hard pull 2019 business tax return. Can I show that? So I should be okay. So I'm going to show them the tax return. Then I'll show them all of this information. And we'll see what comes up with that. But until I get all the information, I'll get back to you guys with it. But hopefully this helped you out a little bit, so you know what you need to do a reconsideration. But I'm going to get all this probably done by tomorrow afternoon to have it set up. And you guys will see me submit this information. Hopefully everything works out, because I don't want to waste the inquiry for nothing. The last few times I got inquiries pulled, I end up with, you know, $17,000 in a real estate loan and a $40,000 auto loan. So, I mean, that sounds like that's what's up to me. But anyway, if you would like to know your FICO scores and what's on your reports from all 3 bureaus, TransUnion, Equifax, and Experian, click the credit monitoring link in the description below. If you would like to make $500 to $1,000 plus per week utilizing your vehicle on your own time, click the Wealth Dasher link in the description below. If you don't have a vehicle or you don't want to use your own vehicle, then click the Wealth Hire Car link in the description below. And that way you can hire a car and use that vehicle to then Wealth Dash and make $500 to $1,000 plus per week on your own time. If you want to know how I got 5 properties for $5,500, click the Be Free link in the description below. If you'd like to get cash back while shopping online, click the Cashback link in the description below. Like, share the video, comment below, subscribe to the channel, subscribe to It's Oasis, and until the next video, let's get this money.